You can see the speed brake is definitely slowing her down, but she's holding up pretty good. And that right there is about 60% throttle. She's about 10-15 feet off. We're gonna go right down the runway. Let's punch it and get out of there.
Speed brake.
Okay, we're back, and I have the Frankenstein. This is the Frankenstein 90mm Typhoon. This bad boy went to hell and back, but luckily I was able to bring it back, and she flies pretty good. She's missing some chunks off the wing, of course, but I decided to put this one up here in honor of my buddy Anthony, so he could have a good video of his old jet, because I have a brand new Typhoon, and this is what it looks like. That one is coming up very soon for our big event that's coming up here at CVRC in April the 25th through the 27th. We are going to have a fun fly. This fun fly will also have an RC swap meet back there. Also, we're going to have plenty of vendors. We have a lot of support from the big companies coming in that are going to be having stuff for us to see, demo. There's going to be a ton of planes. Also, if you want to come and fly with us that weekend, please do. There's free camping, no full hookup. It's more like a dry camping, or else you want to camp out in a tent, whatever, it doesn't matter. But back over there along our back area, there'll be plenty of that. There's areas for food, there's facilities to handle everything, and we're going to be here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here for our all-electric Warbird and EDF jet fighter event. So with that being said, let's take this bad boy up, and Anthony, this one's for you. All right, me and Miko, we're going to take this bad boy up. Let's see what she'll do, and we'll give you guys a nice flight with this one.
Normal mode.
All right. Half speed there. I like for it to go down the runway straight as possible, collect speed. There she is, and just a little pull of the elevator, and up she goes.
Gear down, gear up.
Bring her back around. There she is. I got her on full throttle to gain some speed. Let's back her up. Let's do a nice presentation pass for you. There she goes. Let's bring her right back on up. Let's reach for the stars. Let's turn her around. Let's come right down the runway. Let's give you guys a nice look at this bad boy. Now this is a rattle can paint job that I did for this one, because this one was pretty beat up, and she had to have a lot of stickers on there, which really caused me to lose focus on the plane, not knowing what's up or what's down. Alrighty, so currently I have the speed brake on. I'm trying to slow her down as we come on into focus. Right now we're at half speed. You can see the speed brake is definitely slowing her down, but she's holding up pretty good. And that right there is about 60% throttle. She's about 10-15 feet off. We're gonna go right down the runway. Let's punch it and get out of there.
Speed brake closed.
All right, speed brake is off. And I only get about 2.5 minutes of battery time with this one, because I definitely do run it harder than normal. And there goes my warning right now. So let's go ahead and set up for a landing. All right, I'm gonna bring her around. She definitely has a distinct sound with her with that engine. And it sounds really good. Listen to that if you can hear that as I pass by.
Gear down.
All right, gear down. Let's bring her back around, and let's get her back on the ground. As of right now, I will use the stability mode gyro just a little bit to help me keep me balanced. And we're coming in a little lower than I typically do, because I like to float her in. So as I come around, I'm gonna get the speed brake down. All my buddies, they always tell me, hey man, you always do these bomber landings, and I actually kind of do. So, but there's a reason for it, because I like to bring this plane around, and I like to line her right on up Bring her in nice and easy. Give me lots of time to slowly bring her in. So look at those landing lights right there. Those landing lights are something else. There we go, dip down. There he is, she's gonna come in. She definitely likes to come in with some speed, so. There we go, little reverse thrust.
Normal mode.
Let her run it off. Let's bring her on in. She does so well. I really enjoy this plane for anybody who wants a little bit of a challenge, something different. Motion definitely knocked this one out of the ballpark with it, because by far this was a little bit challenging learning how to fly it, but so far it's actually been so much fun to fly. So gotta love the nav lights and the landing lights that are on there.
Braking.
And there she is.
Motor off.
All right, that's our Frankenstein 90mm Typhoon. This is our Freewing model. I love it, it's a lot of fun. I keep growing with it, it's gonna get better. But once again, I have a new one that's coming, it's gonna be phenomenal. And it'll be here at that Warbirds all electric event. We're gonna have a ton of EDFs. We got a lot of sponsors coming in once again, but we're gonna have a ton of guys here having a nice fun day flying nothing but electrics. And we're gonna have, so for anybody who wants to come check it out, it's a free event for spectators to come on out and come check out whatever planes they wanna see, because there's gonna be a ton. I got guys bringing a little bit of everything. So I'm personally looking forward to being able to see some planes that I've never seen before. Okay, so please like and subscribe. This is Russ and Miko. Dale's behind the camera. Action RC, we're out. We'll see you next time.